You surely know who I am. I speak to you as part of the Galactic Federation of Light, a union of star nations and beings of light from many worlds, who watch over and support you in this critical time. Within the Federation, we operate through a special organization, the Galactic Command, designated to protect and guide planets during crucial stages of development. As early as 1952, we made our presence known to some of you, to spread a message of peace, unity, and spiritual enlightenment. Since then, we have stood by your side, observant and ready, to assist in your journey toward higher understanding and a new era of peace and love. The Galactic Command is a unit within the Federation with a specific mission: to watch over planets like yours, where powerful transformation is possible but also challenging. Our purpose is to protect you and guide you through this transition, to be your guardians and guides, yet always with full respect for your free will. We are prepared to shield your planet and civilization from forces that might hinder your development, but we want you to know that the greatest power for change lies within you. Each of you has the ability to be a bearer of light and part of the new age that you are creating for yourselves. Your world now stands at a crossroads. You face challenges, yes, but also opportunities. Opportunities to overcome fear, let go of old patterns, and connect with the universal love that binds all life together. You have within you the power to build a world founded on peace, freedom, and harmony. And in this work, we walk beside you. The Galactic Command intervenes only subtly and in ways that your awareness can receive. We send you signs, we send you love, we send you strength. Every thought, every action you take affects the greater cosmos, and together we can weave a reality that resonates in harmony with the universe's love. So stand strong, my earthly friends, and know that you are not alone. You are surrounded by light and love from every corner of the galaxy, and we are here to help when you are ready to see beyond the physical. Remember, you are creators of your own destiny, and each of you carries a spark of the divine light. Together, in unity and in love, we journey toward a new dawn.